down Relemo Fokeng as the two DDC graduates look to combine there. Shot! Oh! Oh! What a cracker from Nkotha! Oh! Ofori knew nothing about that. Didn't expect the shot to be taken. And what a cracker! What a way to open his account!
He says, thank you very much, Jose Rivero.
Wow.
You gave me a start in the previous game and I showed highlights of what I can do. Get given a start again tonight in front of this magnitude of a crowd, and he doesn't shy away from the opportunity given to him. He doesn't see options around him, TT. And he says, my teammates are not showing up, but I back my technique.
Oh.
I have trained against Ofori for a couple of months. I know him. Well taken goal. The goal ya manaka TT.
What a way to open your account for the first team.
Mahopa is tying his laces. And he says, I don't have any other option. I'll go for that lace technique. Goes through that ball. The goal ya manaka Nkotha.
That is an goal of the highest quality. An immediate...